Hey, Postcard Diva, how's everybody doing out there? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm back, guys. You're here probably because you're looking for a way to make money online. That's how you landed on my page. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer. Before we get started, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and like the video. Go ahead and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? So, quite often I'm getting people, newbies, a lot of newbies, some people that know a little something about making money online, and everybody wants to know, or they want the most simplest way to do that. And guess what? Text message marketing. Okay? That's got to be, I know posting ads is simple, but I think text message marketing may be just as simple or better, because all you're going to do is push a button. Okay? SMS Phone Leads, guys. I got into this, I don't know, maybe a month or two ago. This particular platform, I love it because I can send over 1,000 text messages a day. It is very reasonable. This little system is a business in a box. It has capture pages. It has an autoresponder, email follow-up series. Okay, everything you need in a business is right here. Okay, you can also send emails to your list. Okay, there's a lot of training in this system. There's traffic sources. Everything is in here. Okay, literally step-by-step video tutorial how to get started. Okay, very easy, and this can be your business. If you don't have anything that you're promoting and you're looking for a business, text message marketing. Okay, or if you have a business and you need to get more leads and sign-ups, use this tool. Okay, to send messages out to mobile leads. These are BizOp leads to get them to look at your offer. Okay, either way, it's a win-win. But if you just want to keep it simple, don't want to have to learn anything, about internet marketing, this is the way to go. Text message marketing. Invest $197 one time. 97 bucks goes to the admin. 100 bucks goes to your inviter. You get paid instantly. You can pay via we can accept PayPal, we can accept Stripe, we can accept Square, okay? So any of those ways, and you're getting paid instantly, so you can't get any better than that. I mean, 100 bucks adds up very quickly, and send over 1,000 messages a day, okay? Now, let me show you real quick. So what you're going to do is we've got about 5 different capture pages in the back office. So pick a page like this, okay? You have a page like this, you get you a domain. My domain for this is mobilemarketing.ws. Mobilemarketing.ws. I send text messages out. They go to this page. Then it takes them over to, that's the FAQ page, by the way. That's a great thing to have. Takes you right over to the sales page right here that does all the selling and telling for me. They watch this video. It closes them out. Okay? And we know everybody carries around their cell phone. Nobody leaves home without it. If you do, if you're like me, I turn around and go right back and get it. Okay? So, this is an awesome business in a box by itself. Okay? It's a reverse one up. Your first sale you keep. So, literally, you're going to make $100 back on your first sale. You invest in $197, the first sale you get. The second sale passes up to your sponsor, and every sale after that is yours. Okay, so you get 10,000 mobile leads with this system. They already upload them for you, so you don't have to do anything with that. They are going to be sitting there waiting on you. Okay, it's member to member. You receive your payment directly from the person that purchases this system. Okay, you get a website just like I'm showing you right here. You get a back office so you can track all your leads. You get an autoresponder, as it says right here. You get the whole funnel. It's already set up. You don't need to do anything. Just plug in. You get the follow-up autoresponder. You get pre-written ads. You get pre-written text messages and campaign tracking. It's a whole slew of things back here, guys, to help you market this business, okay? This is a business in a box by itself, okay? It's very well worth $197 to keep making $100 over and over and over and over. You're going to get 20 million numbers back here. All you're going to have to do is scrub them, but they show you how to do that, a simple task. And this page is branded to you, so you get to brand yourself. When they go to the sales page, okay, this is the sales page that your prospects are going to see, and it has your picture and number on there so they can contact you, okay? And when they pay, you get paid instantly, okay? So, I mean, you can't beat that, guys. And here's your back office. Just going to show you that real quick. I want to keep this short, but I just want to show you guys another opportunity, a way to make money online from home is sending simple text messages, okay? Here's your back office, so you can track everything back here. You can see your team. You can see a list of your people here. This is where you send your messages out. You go here to see your history of everybody you sent your messages to. Everything is here. Tools. Banners are back here in the back office, guys. Sample ads, as I explained to you. Your website stats, so you can kind of see how many clicks you're getting and views. Advertising options. There's other advertising options if you like to use them. They give you those here. And there's a get started welcome video. So you don't have to worry about, well, what do I need to do? Just click that get started welcome video and it'll walk you right through everything, guys. Business in a box, SMS, Lead Network, get paid to text. Okay, again, you can't get any simpler than sending text messages, okay? And they're pre-written, so you can just copy what they have. And then I've added some of my own personally that I can share with you that I'm finding that I'm getting quite a bit of responses from. And I'll show you here real quickly, okay? And I'm going to put the link below for this, so you want to get it. mobilemarketing.ws. All right, hold on a second. As you can see, guys, I just ran a campaign right before I did this video. You can see leads are coming in, and there's some leads just from the just trickling in, because if you know, a lot of times people don't opt in right then. It's just on their phone, because it is on their phone, okay? And all they have to do, since it's already on there, is they'll just opt in at another time, you know? So there's leads trickling in from the days that I had already sent messages. So opt-ins do come in for sending simple text messages, okay? So again, one of the simplest ways to make money online is sending text messages, okay? So I'm going to put the link below for you guys to check this out. I mean, you can't get any easier than this, okay? So it's worth the investment, because we know everybody carries around their cell phones. We all know that. I mean, that's facts. So, and people will read their messages. Okay, click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? And if you have any questions, go ahead and put your information in so you can actually see how the sales funnel works. And so you can check out the video presentation. And if you have any questions after you've watched it, feel free to give me a call. I'll be happy to speak with you about it. And I look forward to you working with me and partnering with me in SMS Lead Network. Okay? Until the next time, you guys have a blessed day. See you on the next video.